Hey folks, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a Shado Beni Chutney. Now the Shado Beni Chutney is almost, you could find some double vendors in Trinidad serving the doubles with this chutney. Not all the vendors do it, but you might find one or two of the vendors do it. And also sometimes when you go to Maracas Bay to get the bacon shark, you'll get the this Shado Beni Chutney too, as well as one of the different sauces that it will have. You'll get this option too as well. So let's get to the recipe. So I have here some fresh Shado Beni leaves that I picked from my plant. I talked about that in my last video. I have about 12 leaves here. I have just a few pieces of pepper, hot pepper. I don't really want it too hot. I might not even use all of the pepper. I might just use one little piece. And I have 3 garlic cloves that I just sliced up here, a little bit of salt, and some water just to get the blender working. So I'll just put everything in the blender, blend it up, and I'll be back when that has been done to show you what it looks like. Okay folks, so here's the Shado Beni Chutney. It's quite easy to do. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.